Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about Halloween. I'm going to be switching out my tablescape right now. It is in a fall theme and I really need to get into the Halloween spirit. So I'm going to be switching out my tablescape, but before I do, I wanted to share with you that today's video is a big Halloween collaboration with a lot of my friends here on YouTube. I'm going to leave the link down below in my description box. If you are needing inspiration to get into the Halloween mood, then this is definitely the right place to be. The playlist will be linked down below in my description box. I wanted to share with you a couple of the new pieces that I purchased for my tablescape. These are things that are new and I'm really excited to share them with you today. So I want to show you my inspiration piece. This is something that I purchased at Fry's. It's a grocery store here in Arizona and it is a table runner. I love this table runner and I know this isn't Halloween themed, but it is boho themed and I love boho decor and I'm trying to incorporate more of the boho theme into my home. So this is the table runner. The end of it has a little bit of gray and I thought that I would incorporate Halloween into this table runner. I love that it's black and white, so I figured that it would be something that would be easy to do. I honestly haven't seen this done before, so I'm just kind of winging it and doing what feels right. I knew that I wanted to switch out the florals on my table, but I still wanted to use the same vase because that is a vase that I just purchased for fall, and I bought that vase because I thought it was versatile and I can switch it out easily year-round by just switching out the florals for whatever season that we were in. So these are the florals that I purchased for Halloween. I love them. I've been looking for something like this and I found them at Michael's. They were $9.99 a stem. I got two, but they were 50% off, so I got them for $5 each. I really wanted something that was black, but I couldn't find black, so I figured this was going to be as good as it got, and so these are going to go into my vase. The next item I got is also from Michael's. Michael's has 50% off right now on all of their Halloween items, so I took advantage of that and I purchased this book set right here. I really love the look of the stacked books and I saw some at Dollar Tree as well, but I'm glad that I purchased these because I feel like these will be a little more durable. It has the names of the book, Art of Magic, Potion Making, Magical Theory, and the front of it has a hand, which is white, and I figured this would go really well with my table runner because of the black and the white. And so I paid, this was originally $19.99 and I got it for $10, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. The next thing that I purchased is also from Michael's, and my mother-in-law helped me pick this out because I was a little unsure of what it is I was looking for, and she really liked this. And it is a vintage typewriter. And it has all the keys on it. It's really cool. This says "Till Death Do Us Part." I thought this typewriter was pretty unique, and so I feel like it's something that I would like to bring out time and time again. This was $19.99, so I got it for $10. So I really got 2 for 1 on this deal. And before going to Michael's, I went to the 99-cent store and I purchased these gnomes. These were actually 99 cents and I thought that was a great deal. I have gnomes outside of my house, but these were kind of creepy gnomes and I loved that too. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to put this onto my tablescape or not. It's definitely an option because I feel like it really goes with the color scheme that I'm going for, which is more black, white, pops of neutral, maybe orange, blues, we'll see. It'll come together, I promise. So this is one of 2 gnomes that I purchased. They're both the same and I really liked these. In boho decor, you cannot do without the wood beads. So these are the wood beads that I have for Halloween. I actually purchased these last year from a friend over on Instagram. She has a small craft shop and I really love this. I can't forget the pumpkins. I have a couple of black and white pumpkins left over that I didn't use in my fall decor, so I'm definitely going to be using these for Halloween. I also have a couple more that are neutral colors, a neutral orange and like a bluish green, and I'm probably going to throw those in just for a pop of color. The last thing I picked up, and I'm not sure that I'm going to use this on my tablescape, but I picked up some cattails and they're orange and I thought these were really nice, and I picked these up at Fry's as well. They were $2.99 for this bunch here and I thought that was a great deal. So if these don't go on my dining table, then I'll definitely put them on my entryway, but I'm not sure that I'll do that in this video. However, you will definitely see me do that in the future if I don't get to it in this video. So that's everything that I purchased for my tablescape. I wanted it to be something that was simple, boho, yet Halloweenish. So I'm not sure how that's going to play out, but I'm sure it'll come together at the end. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I wanted to paint the pumpkin on my home sign versus switching it out because pumpkins are obviously still a big part of Halloween. So initially I thought that I wanted to paint it an off-white color maybe, but the paintbrush that I was using was from the Dollar Tree and it was not very good at all. And I didn't really like the way it came out, so you'll see at the end what color I ended up going with. This sign is something that I do get a lot of questions about. I did DIY this sign a couple of years back and I do have a video showing the entire process. It was actually really quite simple, and so I will link that video down below in my description box. That's all I have for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and got some ideas. I'm a person that doesn't really follow trends, so I just kind of do what feels right to me, and I really love the way this turned out. Make sure to check out my playlist down below for this collaboration. Everyone has created a Halloween themed video, which will give you a ton of inspiration to get into the holiday mode. So thank you ladies for collaborating with me today, and I will see you all in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead.